Seventh time you are writing WAEC. Is it until they give you official vehicle?
Oh my God.
Yeah, I'm so sorry for the delay.
Hey, doctor, thank you. You see, I don't think this foolish boy is my son. The boy is too daft.
Doctor is his son.
Because when his mother born it, I was in the abroad.
Which abroad? Is it no motor you go and buy in Cotonou with your guy?
Since you're abroad. So doctor, I want to do a DNA test.
Okay.
Doctor, how much is it? I will use your WAEC money to do it.
That will be 180,000.
And doctor, you are not understanding DNA test.
Yes, for the paternity test.
What if it is not my son?
I'm afraid we don't do refund.
Let's do it.
Daddy, let's do it.
Will you keep short?
Sorry.
Sorry for your life. And doctor, take this for minerals. And doctor, thank you. Don't worry, I will find out on Judgment Day.
Oh my God.